Why isn't my inbound funnel working anymore, and what to do about it? If you work in B2B marketing, you know this. You invest time and money into getting the perfect buyer to your site, and then they ghost you. The problem isn't lead, it is friction. Imagine this. You walk into H&M, grab a bag of clothes, and the cashier makes you fill a long form. Then they say, "We'll email you if you're approved." You get out from the store without the clothes and wonder if someone will get back to you. That's what most B2B sites do to hot leads every day. And in this case, the average cost is $100K and not $100. Let's see a quick calculation of how much the funnel today costs us. LinkedIn ad, $5 per click. Form fill rate, 3% of visitors. ICP fit, 50% on a good day. SDR reply rate between 10 to 20%. Discovery call no-show, 30%. MQL to sales qualified lead, 20%. Bottom line, one opportunity can take 500 clicks, roughly $2,500 on LinkedIn for a single qualified lead, not a win, an opportunity. The inbound funnel was created by HubSpot in 2005. This is before smartphones, before COVID, before socials, before Slack, before AI. We were completely different people. So how does the funnel need to look today? According to research, it's time for a shift from collect and chase to instant connection. Meet buyers where they already are and give them a fast way to start a conversation. Let people message you from any place they have intent. G2, ChatGPT, Marketplace, pricing page. Don't force them to visit your website. Simple proof points you can show as bullets. Messaging first flows, 4x higher click to opportunity. Response rates, 83% for messaging versus 12% for email. Sales cycles shortened up to about 35%. How to do it? 1. Replace a Contact Us form with a DM link on pricing or G2. 2. Click opens a DM in the buyer's preferred app, Slack, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. 3. Let the AI agent qualify the lead, understand their intent, and add the relevant rep from your company to the same thread. Context switching will lead to churn. 4. Let your reps continue the conversation on messaging only with qualified leads throughout the customer lifecycle. Result: you grab intent in the moment. SDRs talk to warm leads, not ghosts. Let's knock.